Hello viewers, you're welcome. In this tutorial, we are going to be solving this logarithmic equation. We have log to the power of 2x plus log to the power of 2, x plus 10, log to the power of 2. So now the base here, this 2 is not a base, it's just the power, right? So the base still remain what? Still remain 10. So now what are we going to do? So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to divide through by log 11 to the power of 2. So what we are going to do now is log divided by log 211 plus log 2x plus this over log 211 equals log to the power of 211 then divided by log to the power of 211. So now from here, so this, we cancel this, we're going to have 1. Now here, this log, this can be written as log x to the power of 2 over power. This power means log x to the power of 2, then also log 11 to the power of 2. So we can write the 2 like this. That is, the 2 is having the power. That is what it means, right? So plus here also we have what we have, log s plus 10 over log 11, then everything to the power of 2. So we have this to be 1. Alright, so we move on. Now from here we can rewrite this log 11 over log x over log 11 as, let's say we have something like, from the law of logarithm, we have log a over log b. So this will give us log, writing it in a single logarithm form or logarithmic form. So this is going to be b, then we have a here. So that is what we are going to write. We are going to write it in this form. So therefore I'm going to have log base 11, we change it towards to x, then to the power of 2 plus log 11 s plus 10 to the power of 2 equals this one. Now I'm going to write this one as log base 11, then we can write it also as power of 2, which is still going to give us 1, right? So we move on. So from there, the next thing we are going to do is, we are going to, I'm going to take this to this side. That is, log 11 power 2 s plus 10 is going to be log 11 minus, I will take this to this side, log 11, sorry, x, right? So from there, so you can see that this is log 11 all squared minus log x 11 all squared. So using difference of 2 square, we're going to have this to be log 11 oh sorry, difference of 2 square, we're going to have log 11 minus the second one, log 11x multiplied by log 11 plus log 11x. So what we use is, when you have a s squared minus b squared will give us a minus b, a plus b. That is what we use. So, and this is also, this one here is also like log 11 x plus 10 all squared. So which is giving us log 11 x plus 10 and also log 11 x plus 10, which is equals log 11 minus log x 11, right? Log 11 plus log x 11. So now what are we going to do here? So we can see that we have something here by comparison. Now by comparison method, so we can see that this can be equal to this, and also this can be equal to the second one. So we can have log 11 x plus 10 can be equals to, is equivalent to log 11 minus, but before that let us try to write this one here. Okay, no problem. Let me write log 11x, right? So the first one, that is the first one. I'm picking the first one here. So case, that is case 1, right? Case 1. So we can have log 11 x plus 10 equals, here since we having the same basis, using the law of logarithm, that is when you have log a minus log b, this is going to be log a over b, right? So that's what I want to use there. This is going to be log 11 then 11 over x. Do you understand now? So which implies that x plus 10 will give us 11 over x, right? So we are going to what? We are going to solve this by multiplying everything by what? By x to clear the fraction, right? So multiplying this by this, we're going to have x squared plus 10x then equals 11. So x squared plus 10x minus 11 equals 0. So now from there, you're going to have factorize this in this form. So now plus 11 times minus 11. So that will give us plus 11 times 1 will give us minus 11 times 1, minus 11 times 1 will give us minus 11. So minus plus 11 times minus 1 will give us minus 11. So plus 11 plus minus 1 will give us plus 10. So therefore I'm going to use this and this. So it's going to be plus 11 then minus 1, right? So from there we have x plus 1 equals 0, or we have x minus 1 equals 0, right? So now from there we have plus 11. So when we transpose to the other side, we have x to be equals minus 11, and this is going to be x equals 1, right? So according to what we have, now when you go back to the equation we have, so we have this, okay, the domain is s cannot be what? Cannot be, s will always be greater than 0. So we cannot have negative what? That is positive value of x we must get. So here that we have negative value of x, so therefore it means that this one is going to be rejected. We're going to reject this. Okay, then we're going to what? We're going to take this. So the only solution, the valid solution, is what? Is 1. Oh, I forgot the second aspect, that is case 2. So let's see what the case 2 will give us to. The case 2 is when we have, from here, when we have log this to be equals to this second one. So that is log 11x plus 10 when it is equals to log 11 plus log x 11, right? So what are we going to have? Let's solve that further. So now we can see that from the law of logarithm, when you have log a plus log b, so this will give us log a times b. That is from the law of logarithm. So we are going to do the same thing here. It's going to be log 11x plus 10 then equals, so this 11 will multiply the x. We're going to have log 11x, so which implies that since the bases are the same, so we are going to equate the argument x plus 10 equals 11x. So now we are going to have 11x minus x equals 10. So 11x minus x, we have 10x equals 10. So divide both sides by 10, right? So we're going to have x to be 10 divided by 10 is 1. So therefore we have y x is equals to 1 in the second case too. So which shows that x is the valid solution, right? And that is the end of the class. If you find this class very interesting, please kindly share. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel before, consider subscribing today. Hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime you upload a new content. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.